All right. You ready?
Yes!
All right. You ready for war? I got it. The only thing is, I got all the bullets. Nobody, somebody get up here. Okay?
We have to. What the heck? We can go down.
Good job, Jemai.
Come on, Daddy.
I got all the bullets in my pocket. Everybody needs a fanny pack to hold the bullets. So I guess. Mine. Oh, you want to play now, so nobody. See, when you didn't want to play, we all was able to have 2 guns. But now, we got 1 gun. So now, yeah.
Daddy, my eyes hurt right now. And my cheek. Can you help me, Dad? Who outside?
Woo. Jody, get your goggles on. Oh! Yeah, it's not ready. Get your bullets. All right.
I can't see.
You can't see. I'm recording now. All right, guys. You ready for war? Here's your gun. Oh, no.
Papa!
Oh! I'm going to get you. You guys, wait. All right, everybody. You coming too close. You got to stay in your corner. Gia, go over there. Oh, no, you ain't got no bullets. I got more in my pocket. All right, here. All right. And you hold a gun. Come here. Who's missing a gun? All right, so this is what's going to happen.
Mom, are you relaxing?
Wait, Gia, wait.
Are you
Pick your gun
relaxing,
up.
Mommy?
Pick your bullet up.
Are you
Pick that bullet.
relaxing?
Pick that bullet up. Put it in your gun. All right. Here's your gun. Don't shoot yet. Put your goggles on.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, baby.
Is your gun loaded?
Yes.
Your gun is loaded, right? Okay. I don't know exactly what we're doing yet. You keep jumping. When you jump, your bullet falls out. You got to make sure it don't fall out. Now, everybody gets 1 gun. And when you run out, you got to hurry up and reload, or you grab a gun or something. You ready? You go in that corner. You go over there. You go over there. You go by that sock. Wait.
Huh?
Go. Pause. Hurry. Go over there. Go over there in that corner. All right.
What's your face at?
Huh?
Here.
Shoot. Why you always shooting me? It's 3.
3, 2,
Go. Ah. I gotta help you. What? I gotta help you shoot me. Shoot Aubrey or something. There's somebody else in here. Oh boy. My gun doesn't like the old bullets. It only likes new bullets.
I know, you guys get 2 bullets and your dad's got 16.
Help you. Grab another gun. There's another one on the
Look
floor.
at Junior's like, I'm just happy to be here.
I gotta reload. Oh man! You gotta hurry up and reload.
Get him, Aubrey,
There's no
get
place to
him.
hide.
just jumping.
Get some bullets and reload. Oh, yeah, you threw your gun on the floor, did you? I'm gonna take your gun and shoot all of it. You cry, baby. You can't play that. Why are you crying?
You
for?
wouldn't help her.
Come here, get your gun. Look, that one has bullets in it. Here, take it. All right, then you're not playing. Get out. You're not playing. No goggles, no playing. That's it. Come on, you're making everybody else fun and bad. Wait. You got time out.
Time out. You'll be in trouble next. Okay.
Time out.
It don't matter.
Put your goggles on or get out. I'm gonna throw you out.
You better say you're gonna play.
Are you gonna play? Yeah. Then get the gun. Get up. Hurry up. So we waiting on you. And get your goggles. Goggles on. No goggles, no playing. Look, he even gave you a gun. You want to have my gun? You can't even do it. The only person that can actually do it is Aubrey a little bit. Wait, no goggles.
That's my girl. That's
If
my
nobody
girl.
has goggles on.
No, Aubrey, you listen.
If one person takes their goggles off, we all gotta stop.
Autumn, get some bullets. What you got?
This is his.
We only have one bullet. So get some bullets. I know that. You got bullets. You only have one.
Right.
Get up and go.
Yours is like, oh, you got that's what you need help with. So we need a hook for you to do it. We don't have a hook. All right, wait, it's time out. Everybody do time out. We reloading. So grab another gun if you want. Grab another gun. Everybody.
I'll be just like
You
that.
get two, and do the next one, and I get it. Because I got more bullets than only like.
You got it, Bubby?
Get your gun.
Oh,
Junior.
you're winning.
Wait.
That help me.
Oh, so you don't get two. Here. Once that's gone, that's blue bullet. You got two guns. Junior, get your gun ready.
Two guns ready, mommy.
Come on, Junior. Get your gun. Huh? No, you gotta wait. Oh, you want to help me? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay.
That's not that easy. That's mine.
All right, come on, Junior. Junior, come on. Come on, Junior. Get in your corner.
There's 1, 2,
Get in your
3, 4.
corner. Back up over there.
4.
Junior, come here. You don't need the bullets. Junior, you don't need the bullets. Come here. Come on.
Alright,
No.
sit up. Yeah, there's a little kid. You three can say.
All right, put your glasses on. You ready? Everybody got their goggles on?
And baby Judah.
All right. You can shoot her too. Don't shoot us. I'm teaching him. All right. Come on. They want to shoot us, Junior. Get up. Oh, we got to push it forward. You knew what to do. Thank you. Oh! Pull it back. 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 Push it forward. Come on, she is on the floor. She is on the floor. She's running away. Time out. Time out. All right. Go. You're out. Time in. Time in. Come on. Pull it back. Pull it back. Go. No. No. Time out. You can't keep going out and coming back in. Because you don't have your goggles on. No goggles, no playing. Oh, Jamie, you shot it too early.
Oh, fix your goggles. You don't want to put them on? Get off.
No, I
You don't have no more. It's just you.
want my knife.
Yeah, who won? Fix your goggles. Stop. Fix your goggles. You can't see nothing. Look at me. Look at me.
Yeah, get out. out the way. Oh, you outside. Oh, no.
You gonna shoot me?
This is not going as planned. You guys are not playing right. Let's go. Oh, no. Oh, my head. She got me.
No, I have to get your brother in. You're not supposed to get. Do not do this again. Do not get there
Oh,
again.
no. She got me. Oh, she's getting me.
Help me.
Oh, no, my gun jam. Oh, man.
Only in the trampoline. No, Jemai.
All right, there we go.
Ow, Jemai.
No, you can't cry.
You said
can't
you
cry.
shoot me.
You can't cry. There's no crying. There's no crying in the
I'm not
game.
gonna help you shoot me.
I'm the winner.
Against a bunch of fucking kids. Here, Junior. No. I have your baby brother. No. Jemai. He's shooting me.
Don't shoot your mom, Junior. Don't shoot your mama. And don't lick the gun.
No.
No crying in this game.
No. Don't shoot me.
You've been
Ow.
asking to play for a whole month, and now we out here, and you don't want to play. Huh? I'm in here playing guns.
I have your brother again.
That one's ugly. Mom don't like that ugly one.
No, it's dangerous.
Huh? Oh, you. So you can shoot me? You better not shoot me. You better get your own bullets. Yeah, I'm in here playing guns because you wanted to play for a whole month, and now we out here. And there's no shooting until the goggles go on. So, yeah, I said I'm in here. No, I'm playing with the guns. You gotta load up. Junior, get your goggles on if you want to play. I don't know, grab a goggle. Everybody got goggles on? 7. All right.
You ready?
Junior, where's your bullets?
You don't get to do that. That's not fair. You have to wait until it's ready.
All right, Junior, here's your bullets. Here.
No, everybody.
And she got 4 guns over there. What?
She only wants a big one.
Oh, Junior!
Get her, Mom. Perfect.
What? Stop! I can't. You're playing and you're out there. Junior,
What?
I gotta help you so you can shoot me.
Come here, Bobby.
I gotta help you so you can shoot me. What is that? Huh? Oh! Yes. All right.
All right, Albert, stop. Hurry up and get more bullets. Because he's getting ready to get you. Okay, get him, shoot him. You got bullets, shoot him. Then you gotta reload yours. You got time? Get him, Aubrey, get him. Yeah, get him, Aubrey. Reload. Yeah, get him, Aubrey, get him.
Get out of here. Oh!
Yeah!
No! Oh, I'm out! I need more bullets!
Load them all. Okay, one. Cock it. Don't forget to pull back.
Again?
Come here, Bobby, come here.
Look, mommy gonna help you.
Come here, Bobby, come here.
Mommy gonna help you. I'm not gonna see help you. Mommy is.
Come here, Bobby, come here.
Mommy's gonna help you.
No, I'm not. Here, take it.
Reloaded.
Shoot.
Ready. He's not gonna shoot it.
Oh,
Give me more bullets. Get more bullets, Bobby.
what's
Wait, Aubrey, wait. Hold on to your bullets. Come on, Bubby. That's enough. Come on. Here you go. Hurry. Hurry. Here, Junior. Here. I can't reach the baby. I have the baby too. Give me one.
Yeah, I'm back in business, baby. I'm back. What the heck? That's why my gun ain't loaded. Look at this. I got one. Look at all these bullets are sitting right here.
I can't put the baby on the stairs. That is dangerous.
Dang, my thing jammed all the way up. That's why I couldn't
Come on,
get a shot
Junior.
out.
Bring me bullets. Hurry.
There we go. All right, I'm ready.
Oh, get up. Who's ready, Aubrey?
I got you. She looked at her daddy. Where's my gun? My gun does not like the old bullet. Gotcha. Shoot it. Gotcha.
Good job, Aubrey.
You better turn. Oh, she took. No, wait. Glasses off. Is your glasses on or off, Autumn?
They're off.
Then you gotta get out. Get out. No, if you're not playing, you gotta go. Put the glasses on. Get that baby out of here. Got you. Got you. Who's next? Got you.
Come here, Bubby.
Oh!
Give me bullets. Shoot him. Shoot him.
Gotta keep jamming up.
Come here.
Uh-oh.
Here, take it.
Oh no, I lost a piece. There we go. My gun broke.
What? DSL screaming for me. What? I just told you.
My gun is broken. I got fish in the middle of battle.
I just told you I'm not going to
Alright.
do that. I just said it.
Man, see, I need new bullets. My gun doesn't like these old bullets. It jams up. You got me. Stop screaming, girl. What are you yelling for? Yeah, are you ready? Ooh. 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 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Here, stay here. Load them all, Aubrey, load them. Give me bullets.
Load up. Oh, she's getting me.
Junior, stop doing that. Get in now. Get in the trampoline. Stop coming out of the trampoline. Yes, you're not working on the edge of this. You're jumping and everything else. You're not doing it.
Gun keeps jamming up.
Autumn, shoot him or you sit there and get shot. What are you going to do? Yes, you do. I'm looking at it.
She says she's waiting for me to have no more bullets. My gun. Man. Gun keeps jamming up.
Not right now, Junior.
This gun sucks. Gun jammed up again. Boy. This gun keeps jamming up. I need a knife.
Why are you swinging into me? Give me bullets.
Yes, I found one of your dumbbells. Yeah, so you can exercise. I need a stick.
Can't sit. Oh, please.
Give me something, yeah.
Oh, please.
Give me something, yeah.
Please.
She got the big gun. Get out of here. Want these small ones? I can't get him.
Help, Mommy. Hey.
Yeah. Yeah, get out of here. Yeah. Hey, no running. There's no running. Ah! Give me.
Give me bullets. Give me bullets. Give me bullets. Give me bullets. Get out. Get out.
She's running all the way to Grandma's. Where you
No,
going?
you're not.
Try to get me.
You got Junior taking him like a champ.
Give
All
me
the girls ran away.
Dude, you're crying.
July, get me.
No, you only shoot in the trampoline. That way all the bullets don't get lost. I'm all by myself now.
Stop doing that. Get inside the trampoline. You will fall. Yes, you will.
Aubrey.
No, what did you just say? Be an example.
Yeah, I got you. Get out of here.
Hey, don't run out. Don't run out of the tent. You will fall. Junior, you're not listening to me. Stop going over there. Okay, inside this tent. I'm going to look you next time I tell you.
Get in here so I can shoot you. Hey, you can't be half in, half out. He got a gun in and his body out. You think you slick. You're the smart man.
I did it.
Why? Uh-huh. Here's where he get it today.
Junior, where's your glasses? Why are
He
you not wearing
does not
glasses?
know what I did.
Running around being smart with no glasses.
Show him.
And why your dad shooting you no
July.
glasses?
Because look, he's half. You see what he's
Look
doing,
what I
right?
took a picture of.
He's standing inside.
This is Mommy's phone, and look what I took the picture of.
What you took a picture of? Oh, yeah?
And now I'm gonna send it
I
to
got all the guns
Grandma
over here.
Hazel.
Go ahead, send it. Let her know we having fun out here.
Don't throw it at me.
I'm gonna tell her
I need bullets.
you are getting guns, people, real guns.
Well, here's one. I have a smaller one. Stop! Why are you? I'm going inside. Yes, the baby's cold. You're swinging, literally kicking me. I'm going inside. No, I'm going inside.
Junior, no crying. She's going
Will you
inside.
throw it over instead of being in the tent?
Here.
Here you go. Here's a smaller one.
You smaller. Oh. I think that's small. Yeah.
I'm on nobody's team. I just look for you all to have fun. Hold on.
Got it out. Yes.
Here, this is from your son. He was shooting me out here. There's his bullets.
There we go. All right, everybody done? Everybody went inside now? You already out here. Woo! That means I'm the winner. Yeah. Remember last year, I couldn't even jump like this. Woo!
Look at your daddy.
Stay here and play God.
Huh?
I want to play God.
Well, you're not inside.
Inside the trampoline?
Well, that's what we got to play.
Let's play one plus up. What is it?
You just told me to stop.
Daddy, help me.
Give me my phone. 3.
Hey, why you not listening? Now you're not gonna play.
And that's the same too.
Yeah, now you gotta go inside. That's a timeout for you.
Bring me my phone. What did you do? You walked away from me.
And I had the nerve to say 2. You're winning. You're not the winner. I'm the winner. I'm the only one that stuck around. Yeah, don't put, you don't ever push her when she leaves. I'll shoot the rest of the gun. Woo, we win. That one already has bullets in it, Junior. Look, it already has bullets in it. It's ready. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Because I didn't turn it off. All right, you ready? Here you go. Shoot it. No. Ah. Hurry up, I gotta go turn the camera off. Oh, shoot me. Boy. I gotta help you so you can shoot me. I gotta turn the camera on. Okay, I'll finish. You shoot your gun, I gotta turn the camera on. Or you gonna come out here with me. And then we gotta come back in and clean up. Okay? Put your gun down. You gotta stay with me. Okay? That way we can find it. We don't wanna lose it. Well, you went out there. Well, now I'm gonna go turn the camera. Maybe, but we gotta come back and clean up. Huh? Gotta get all the bullets in the gun. We gotta get the bag for it. Whew. That was fun.
Yeah, that was